In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Directional Movement Index indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get this powerful indicator onto your charts without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. What matters is that you're on the main charting screen. Look toward the top of the chart area for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators and sits above the price chart. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the main Indicators window where you can search and browse all the tools TradingView offers. Inside this window, you'll see different categories. Find the section labeled Technical or Technical Indicators. This is where TradingView groups most of the standard analysis tools you'll use, including the Directional Movement Index. Click on that technical section so you're looking at the technical indicators list. Now, rather than scrolling through a long list, it's much faster to use the search bar. At the top of the indicators window, locate the search field. Click into that search box so your cursor is active there. This lets you quickly pull up exactly what you need. In the search bar, start typing Directional Movement Index. As you type, TradingView will filter the results for you. You should see the Directional Movement Index indicator appear in the drop-down list. When you see it, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. You'll notice lines that represent positive and negative directional movement, which traders use to understand trend strength and direction. If you want to fine-tune it, you can always click the settings icon on the indicator to adjust inputs, colors, and style. But the default settings are a good starting point if you're new to it. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and you're interested in unlocking more features and a smoother experience, check out the link in my video description. Using that link to sign up is a simple way to get started with a more advanced version of the platform, and it helps support content like this at the same time. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps and you'll have the Directional Movement Index on your TradingView Pro charts in just a few clicks.